Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 935 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, tap on More, scroll down and tap on Garmin Devices. And here you should see Forerunner 935 on the list. Tap on it to select it. On this page, tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove. Once you see this pop-up, tap on Close, close the app, open the settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see Forerunner 935 on the list of my devices. If you see it, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. And it should disappear from the list of my devices. Once it does, you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.